The test of a company's integrity is when its existence stands for more than just its bottom line. When it values the quality of its relationships over the quantity. When the philosophies that underpinned it in the beginning still remain, generations later. That is when a company can provide real, long-term value to its customers.
Balmoral Engineering has been supplying utility companies for the last 40 years, and the problem we try to solve for them is preventing power line strikes. The reason that utilities prioritise trust is because there is so much at stake. Our customers have an enormous responsibility to keep the power on to millions of people. Creating an infrastructure around your products which allows or provisions for that danger is what we do. And it's not just happened overnight. It started with my grandfather and it's taken time to establish. And what he built has now lasted generations. Some of our best customers have been with us for 45, almost 50 years. Not a lot of companies that can boast a lineage of 40 years.
The journey a company takes should be one that brings its customers along for the ride. The multi-generational relationships with our Japanese partners couldn't be more of a testament to this. Balmoral Engineering is for the long term. The relationships we've built and have kept throughout the decades hold true to the legacy it's set out to create.